Hello, everybody, and welcome to Street Smart Investing. I'm your host, Albert, and this is going to be the continuation of the coronavirus stocks of the vaccines until further notice. So, this is the last video of the coronavirus stocks. If I come up with any more, I will add on to the list, and that's all I can do. But these are, I don't want to make a huge list, but I only made a list of 6, and this is all I have for now. So again, if I have any more, if you guys have any requests for certain stocks that appear as coronavirus stocks, then send me comments and I'll go over it and I'll put them in the right place and I'll see if they're eligible. So let's begin with the video. It's going to be a very short video. So I have Moderna. This stock has been very, very hot in the last 2 weeks. They've been, when I say they, I mean the media and maybe some insiders, and it's just been getting some attention. But reviewing the financials for Moderna or Moderna. It is spelled Moderna. So, anyways, Moderna is a vaccine, and it's both of these companies. I'm sorry to say, they're pretty horrible. So let's begin. So we have Moderna at $58.19. Market cap is at 21 billion, 21.6 billion to be exact. Earnings per share is at negative $1.50 for the year. Anything negative looks horrible, and it's just gonna go down after I read everything else. PE is negative 36.96, so close to 37, so negative 37. That's just awful. It just seems like they're not making any money at all. The cash flow sucks. This is a horrible company. The only thing really they have going for them is debt. I really don't see how this company is making money. This is a stock that's probably a pick of the month. I think that people are just trying to bring up the price and just pretty much sell it. I really don't know why. I forgot why it has gotten so much attention the last 2 weeks, but it has, and it's just an awful company. And again, so no dividend yield. The cash flow is at negative 423 million. Debt is at 20.6. And as you can see, I put the E for earnings. Those are the times when they earn earnings. If you look at this trend right here, that was because of the March trend that went up. And it looks like it's strongly upwards for the next few months. And analyst ratings have buy, hold, 0% sell. One thing I do realize is that a lot of these analyst ratings, they're never gonna tell you to sell. So pretty much you're buying and holding, and then it's very rare that any of these companies put up anything to sell, even if it's 10%. I rarely see them put up for selling. So again, the 1-year trend, I don't know. I really don't know. I could see it going sideways and go back down, but who knows? So far, it's going upward. Next up is Novavax, and that's a vaccine for the coronavirus stocks. The share price is at $46.30. Market cap is on very, very small, much smaller than Moderna. It's at 2.68 billion, very small company. Earnings per share is at negative 4.14, very, very awful. PE ratio is at negative 10.82, rounded off to an 11, awful. No dividend yield. Cash flow is at 600 million. The debt is very, very high at 107.5, well, 0.3, sorry, Very high in debt. Awful company. The 1 year chart I have is, again, the earnings. If you look at the second half of the chart, if you cut this in half, you see this here. This here, right before they earned, that was because of the, again, the March trend that was going up, propping it up, talking about all these medical companies trying to put up the share price, and then the Fed's pumping up the market. So, yeah, I think the Fed's really pumped up this one. But aside from the Fed pumping it, again, I forgot why it's gotten so much attention. So, anyways, strongly upwards towards hopefully the end of the year. I mean, this is not a stock I would get. As you can see, I did not watch list any of these. Well, both of these at all. So, analyst ratings at 71% buy, 29% hold. Awful ratings. And that's all I have for you. So the next video up, real quick, I have a bonus sector and a bonus stock, you guys, in the next video. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.